Welcome to your prompt library, your personal shortcut to faster results with ChatGPT. You've learned how to structure good prompts. You've seen real examples. Now I want to give you something even better, a set of ready-to-use prompts that cover key areas of your work and business. These are the kinds of prompts you can copy and paste as is, customize for your audience, save to your own prompt system for daily use. Let's walk through some categories together. Writing and communication prompts. Number 1. Write a professional email. Write a professional email to a client, thanking them for a great meeting and confirming next steps. Keep it warm and clear. Number 2. Summarize an article or message. Summarize this text into 5 bullet points, highlighting key takeaways and next steps. Number 3. Rephrase for clarity. Rewrite this paragraph to make it easier to understand for someone who speaks English as a second language. Number 4. Translate into another language. Translate this text from English to French, keeping the tone friendly and informal. Idea generation prompts. Number 5. Content ideas for Instagram. Give me 10 Instagram caption ideas for a freelance graphic designer who shares portfolio tips. Number 6. Product name suggestions. Suggest 5 creative names for a minimalist candle brand targeting Gen Z. Number 7. Micro-product ideas. List 10 digital products a yoga teacher could sell online with low effort and high value. Number 8. Business ideas. Generate 5 side hustle ideas that require no upfront investment and can be launched in a weekend. Planning and productivity prompts. Number 9. Weekly schedule planner. Create a weekly routine for someone working a 9-to-5 job who wants to spend 2 hours per day on a side hustle and still have family time. Number 10. Task prioritization. Help me organize my to-do list into urgent, important, and low-priority tasks. Number 11. Time block planner. Build a 3-hour focused work session plan for a freelance writer with built-in breaks. Sales and product creation prompts. Number 12. Write a product description. Write a product description for a digital planner designed for busy moms. Make it clear, helpful, and inspiring. Number 13. Create a landing page outline. Act like a copywriter. Write the structure of a landing page for a free ebook about productivity hacks. Number 14. Email subject lines for a new launch. Give me 5 subject line ideas to promote a new template pack for content creators. Education and coaching prompts. Number 15. Course outline generator. Create a 4-week online course outline on basic financial literacy for young adults. Number 16. Coaching session summary. Summarize the following coaching notes into an email recap with key points and 3 action steps. Number 17. Create workbook questions. Write 5 reflection questions for a journaling exercise on self-confidence. Bonus. Prompt personalization. You can add things like use a casual tone, include emojis, limit to 100 words, format as checklist, make it sound like a supportive coach. These little tweaks help tailor the output to your exact style or brand. How to use this library. Pick a category. Copy a prompt into ChatGPT, add a little context, who it's for, what you want, refine the result. Save your best prompts to reuse again. As you test, tweak, and repeat, you'll build your own AI toolkit that grows with your goals. Coming up next, I'll show you how to create your own personalized prompt sheet, your ultimate time saver. But for now, try 1 or 2 of these prompts. Paste them in. Watch what happens. You'll see just how fast the right prompt delivers real results.
Let's take your prompting to the next level with one of my favorite techniques, role-based prompts. You've already seen that the clearer you are with ChatGPT, the better the result. But there's a secret that makes prompts even more powerful, and it's as simple as saying, act like. By assigning ChatGPT a role, you're telling it how to think, who to speak like, and what kind of answers to give you, even before you ask the actual question. This is one of the fastest ways to get more precise, creative, and professional responses. Let's walk through how it works, and I'll give you examples you can copy right away. What are role-based prompts? You're basically saying, pretend you're a professional slash expert slash coach slash etc., and help me with your task. This gives ChatGPT a mindset, a way to frame the problem, which dramatically improves relevance and tone. For example, act as a copywriter. Help me write a product description. Act like a social media coach. Give me 5 content ideas. You are a therapist. Write a comforting message for someone dealing with burnout. It's fast, it's clear, and it instantly upgrades the output. Number 1. Writing roles. Use these when you need ChatGPT to create content for you. Act as a copywriter. You are a blog editor. Pretend you're a resume writer. Act like a personal brand strategist. These roles are great for sales copy, blog posts, email writing, bios and summaries, headlines, slogans, CTAs. Example: act like a LinkedIn bio expert. Write a short, confident bio for a marketing student seeking internships. Number 2. Business and productivity roles. Use these when you want help with planning, decisions, or strategy. You are a productivity coach. Act like a small business advisor. You are a freelance project planner. Act as a virtual assistant who helps with scheduling. Example: act like a business coach. Help me build a 3-day launch plan for a new digital product. Number 3. Creative and design roles. These work great when you want ideas, branding, or visual content suggestions. Act like a graphic designer. You're a Canva expert. You are a brand stylist. Act like a creative director for social media. Example: act as a Canva expert. Give me a 5-slide presentation structure to promote a personal finance checklist. Number 4. Education and learning roles. Need to explain something? Teach something? Practice? Try. You are a math tutor. Act like a language teacher. Pretend you're a career coach helping a recent grad. Act as a quiz master. Ask me 5 questions on time management. Example: you are a productivity tutor. Explain Parkinson's law to a 10-year-old using a fun story. Why it works. When you give ChatGPT a role, you narrow the scope and focus the answer. It stops being general and starts speaking your language. It becomes an expert in what you need it to be. Combine it with the prompt formula. Remember the formula from earlier? You can layer this in like so. Act like a social media manager. Write 5 Instagram captions for a candle brand. Use a soft and calming tone with emojis. Role, task, context, format, and tone. That's a perfect prompt. Pro tip: create a role library of personas you reuse often. For example, resume coach, social media assistant, business advisor, life coach, email editor, brand copywriter. These become your AI team, ready to help you anytime.
Let's be honest, even with a great prompt, sometimes ChatGPT's first answer isn't perfect. Maybe it's too long. Maybe the tone's a little off. Maybe you just want it more visual, punchy, or structured. That's totally normal. And here's the good news. You can easily improve any output by simply asking for a revision. Think of ChatGPT like a smart intern. It's fast. It's helpful. But it still needs your guidance to hit the mark. Let's look at how to give better feedback and the quick tweaks that will instantly improve your results. Common fixes you can ask for. After ChatGPT gives you a first draft, try saying, make it shorter. Make it more casual. Use simpler language. Add bullet points. Start with a question. Make it sound more confident. Give me 3 variations of this. Summarize it in 3 sentences. Rewrite for LinkedIn. Add a call to action at the end. These are like buttons you can press to fine-tune the response. No need to retype your whole prompt. Example before and after. Let's say you asked, write a bio for a freelance copywriter who helps small businesses. And ChatGPT gives you, I'm a professional copywriter helping small businesses communicate clearly and grow their brand. Not bad, but you want it to pop more. You can say, make this sound more fun and confident. Add emojis. Now it gives you, helping small businesses sound big. I write words that sell, connect, and convert. Let's grow your brand, one line at a time. Boom. Now that's way more engaging. Same content, better delivery. Pro tip, stack your feedback. Don't stop at one revision. Try stacking changes. Start with, make it more casual. Then, now shorten it. Then, turn this into a caption. Then, give me 3 variations. Each step makes the content tighter, clearer, and more tailored to your style. Format tweaks that help. If you want your result in a specific structure, just ask. Try. Format this as a checklist. Put the answer in a table. Give me a slide outline with headlines. Rewrite this into a carousel post with slide labels. Turn this into a script for a 1-minute video. These changes help you go from text dump to ready-to-use content. Tone tweaks that matter. Tone is critical, especially if you're using AI for public content, client communication, or your brand voice. Try. Make it sound like a friendly expert. Use a tone that's bold and motivational. Rewrite this like a Gen Z creator on TikTok. Make it feel like a coach cheering me on. You'll be amazed at how ChatGPT adapts. When you just ask, treat it like a draft, not a final answer. This is the mindset shift. ChatGPT gives you a first draft, not the final version. Your job? Shape it, polish it, personalize it. You're still in control. You're just working faster and smarter with AI as your assistant. In the next slide, I'll show you how to save time by building a prompt sheet, a personalized tool with your best inputs ready to go. But for now, remember this. The power isn't just in what ChatGPT gives you. It's in how you shape the answer afterward.
You've made it this far, and by now you've learned how to understand what ChatGPT is, write better prompts, save time, create content, even build products and services you can sell. But here's the question. How do you make this all repeatable? The answer is simple. You need a prompt sheet, your own custom list of prompts you know work, tailored to your needs, ready to copy and paste. Think of it as your personal AI cheat sheet. It helps you stay consistent, save time, create faster, maintain your tone and structure, and never start from scratch again. Let's build yours step by step. What is a prompt sheet? It's a simple document, Google Doc, Notion, or even a Notes app, where you collect your best performing prompts. You organize them by task type, writing, planning, brainstorming. Format, email, blog, caption, checklist. Role, coach, copywriter, designer, etc. Target audience, clients, students, creators, etc. This becomes your go-to toolkit every time you sit down to work with ChatGPT. What to include? Here's a suggested structure. Writing and communication. Act as a copywriter. Write a 3-line Instagram bio for a productivity coach targeting female freelancers. Tone. Confident and supportive. Summarize the following into 5 bullet points for a team meeting. Planning and productivity. Create a weekly schedule for a solopreneur juggling content creation, email, and 2 client projects. Include rest days. Break this goal into 5 actionable steps with deadlines. Sales and launches. Write a landing page outline for a $29 digital download. Make it sound helpful and beginner-friendly. Give me 5 email subject lines for a product launch targeting creatives. Social media and content. Act like a social media manager. Give me 5 caption ideas for a self-care journal brand. Tone, soothing and warm. Turn this blog paragraph into a tweet thread. Templates and digital products. Create the content structure for a Notion template that helps freelancers track income, clients, and goals. Generate a checklist for someone launching their first online product. How to build yours fast? Start with these steps. Pick your top 5 tasks. What do you do weekly? Write or copy 2 prompts per task. Label them by category. Paste them into a doc or template. Use plus refine each one, save what works best. Every time you create a post, email, outline, or caption that works, save the prompt that created it. Over time, you'll build a custom prompt library that's 10x more valuable than anything generic online. Bonus: format it visually. Want to take it up a notch? Add emojis to help you scan fast, color-coded tags, examples next to the prompts, a results column to track which ones perform best. This becomes your secret weapon, your ChatGPT command center. Let's recap. With a solid prompt sheet, you can write faster, sell faster, post faster, plan faster, and stay consistent, even when you're tired, rushed, or out of ideas. It's like building a brain that works for you, even on your worst day. So start your prompt sheet this week. Fill it with the prompts from this course. Add your own variations, and watch how much smoother your work becomes.